Welcome or welcome back to What You Wish For. If you are new here, then welcome. This is your space. This is a community where we reinvent ourselves into our best selves and create our desired realities. In this video, we will be talking about this one of the most amazing phenomenons or concepts which have been brought to light by Neville Goddard, and that is everyone is you pushed out. If I have to summarize it, basically I would say that this just says that whatever is there on the outside, whatever situations you are in, whatever the behavior of the people that you are with towards you, whatever happens with you, whatever instances and coincidences that you have, all of those things are basically a projection of what you have been thinking or believing or who you are on the inside. What I'm trying to say here is that whoever you are is exactly what is portrayed outside. It may be a bit distorted, it may come out not as accurate, it may come out in twisted ways basically. I won't say it's not accurate, I would say it's a bit twisted because you know how our dreams are, right? And our dreams come from our subconscious mind. So if our dreams are so distorted that we can't understand what our subconscious have been trying to say, then the reality that is outside, that is also from subconscious, imagine how twisted it is. It is not going to be that direct, but it is definitely a projection of your subconscious and who you are. That's all it is. So once you understand everyone is you pushed out, and that is majorly how law of attraction works, because law of attraction, although it states that whatever you are focusing on, how emotions you are feeling, thoughts and all of that, those are what manifest, but what you attract is not what you want but who you are. So your being is more important than whatever you are doing. I hope that it's not very confusing. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So whoever you are, that plays the most important role in whatever realities and circumstances and people that you are surrounded with. You are attracting the same vibrations as you are in. You are attracting the same things that you are focusing on, and the things that you are, the same vibrations that you are. So basically, when you understand this and when you realize that everyone is you pushed out, outside is just a mirror, it's just a reflection of who we are, then you understand that self-concept and dealing with our own belief system, dealing with our own limitations, dealing with the things that we have been thinking and believing in our conditioning that has happened, all those things are very, very important. Dealing with those things first are what is exactly what is going to get you to be your dream self and create your dream life effortlessly, if I may add. So this is one of the most important concepts for you to know, because once you know everyone is you pushed out, you will not be putting blame on others, because they are just portraying, they're just a reflection of who you are. You change yourself, you change your beliefs, you change the things that you identify with, and everything else is going to change. They're just going to follow suit. That's it. Now, how do we use this phenomenon? How do we use everyone is you pushed out to our advantage? Now, we can use it for people and also for situation. How do we use that? Number one, first thing is, everyone is you pushed out should be your awakening, your wake up call, that you have to work on your self concept. And if you want to work on your self concept, then what you have to do is start affirming those things that you want to be. Start affirming and focusing on the things, on the kind of person that you want to be. If you want to be a powerful manifester, then say, affirm, I am a powerful manifester. And if you want these affirmations already made and laid out for you, then you can check out our not everyone is you pushed out. You can check out our 21 days affirmation meditation in that, for 21 days, we had come up with self-concept affirmations, and those are basically very simple affirmations, and you have to go through the a new meditation video every single day for 21 days, and they are simple but very, very powerful. So if you want, you can check those out. The links will be in the description box below. Now let's come to how you use it, apart from dealing with your beliefs and all of that as your identity is. Apart from that, number one, when you deal with people, whatever you are going to be is what is going to project it out. So when you are meeting somebody, when you are dealing with people, you have to be certain. You have to be certain that the kind of positivity that you want and the kind of relationship that you want has to come from you first, because everything starts with you. So once you realize that, you will not hesitate in making those first moves, because it's anyway all about you, right? You are the one who is the master of your reality. Everybody is just following your lead. So always come from a place of positivity, come from a place where you know that things are going to work out for you, because anyway you are in charge. If there is someone you want them to start acting a certain way or stop acting a certain way, then pause and remember that you are the one they are going to follow. So you have to lead with it. Now, once you stop triggering those things inside you, everything will fall into place. But till then, what can you do? You can start affirming and putting it in your belief system that this person is doing what you want. So if you want somebody to text you more often, then this person is texting me often. This person is always wanting to talk to me. This person loves to talk to me. All those affirmations that you want that they should come true, you should start repeating. And that is it, literally. Once your subconscious have absorbed it, the other person is going to show it through their actions or through their words or whatever. It will start coming to reality. That is it. Now for situations, if you are in a sticky situation that you don't want to be a part of, or if you want something to happen, then again, simple enough, affirm. Start affirm, or even visualize that you want this thing to happen, or you want this situation to go away. You want this a win-win outcome for everyone. Start affirming that we all are getting a win-win outcome. We all are getting a win from this situation, or this situation has been this situation has turned for the better. This situation is whatever you want. Just start affirming that. You can start visualizing that. That is my favorite combo. I have said it so many times now. So just do that and see the magic. All you have to do is just make your subconscious believe a certain thing, and it will come to reality very, very soon. Because it is not about what you want, what you are hoping for. It's mostly about who you are, what kind of high vibration or low vibration frequency are you on, and that is exactly what will manifest the rest of the things. So I hope this video gave you a bit of a clearer idea on what is everyone is you pusher and how to even start using it in your daily life. And if you like the video, then thumbs up. If you like our content in general, then please subscribe to our channel. And if you want your loved ones to basically use these phenomena and use law of attraction to make the life and this world a better place, then share it with them. I really hope this helped, and thank you for tuning in.